Alright, we're about to go into Space City, which is Space City Audio at Old Town Spring. Okay, the store has a lot of Polk Legend, actually legacy gear. Here's some old Polk SDAs that have been all retooled. And my daughter and her cousin getting their newest albums. Okay, those are great. Lots of vintage gear here, especially Polk, Marantz, vintage turntables. I want this turntable, but it's apparently sold. But it's been in here for over a year now. The guy just never picks it up, so we're gonna see if he'll flip it, and I'll take that turntable. I'll tell you what's very impressive are these Tannoys. I just listened to these, as well as the smaller ones. At these price points, these are incredible speakers for kids that are going into a dorm room, somebody just starting out, or somebody really, some of these fuller standards are good enough to compete with much higher price. So great little systems here, and there's great music selection at this store, so check it out if you're in Old Town Spring.